Good day, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, our channel Classic Hausa TV will come up with one of the most important topics. The topic is vaginal infection. Yes, we are going to discuss the solutions, causes, and the symptoms of vaginal infection. Can sperm cause yeast infection? Yes, sometimes sexual activity can lead to vaginitis. Your partner's natural genital chemistry can change the balance of yeast and bacteria in your vagina. In rare cases, you can have an allergic reaction to your partner's vagina. At the end, what are the solutions of these problems of vaginal infection or vaginal yeasts? The solution is, I just want to tell you from the experience, you need to go and have garlic 1, black seed 2, lemon 3, and number 4, you need to have a vita cola, at least 4 pieces or 4 to 5 pieces. Then match them together, dry it. When you dry it, at least take it for a good 2 to 3 weeks. Can I treat infection myself? Yes, you can. A mild vaginal yeast infection may go away without treatment. Its mild symptoms. You may want to see if that happens. If you are not pregnant, that's we are talking of male or female. If you are not pregnant and you want to know that your symptoms can cause by a yeast infection, you can treat it yourself with an over-the-counter antifungal medicine.